Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restart your iPhone 11 in two different ways. So let's get started. Now this method can be used on any iPhone as well. First method we're going to use is the buttons. So the first thing is locate your volume up, volume down button on your left hand side, and then this big side button. So we need to follow this sequence, which is first you're going to press and release the volume up, and then press and release the volume down quickly one after another, and then hold on to this big side button like this. Once you're holding on, just keep on holding on, don't let go yet. It's going to say slide to power off, but you do not need to touch that. Just keep on holding it until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo reappear. At that time you can let go of that side button. Again, the process, it goes really quick. You quickly press and release the volume up, and then quickly press and release the volume down one after another before holding on to that side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. Now this method, it's going to force it to shut down completely and reload the code. And you can try to do this a few times. If it doesn't work the first time, sometimes it takes a few times to get this method right. Now for some reason maybe the buttons aren't working or you can't get it, you can also use a Siri. If you're using Siri on your iPhone, simply issue a command such as, "Hey Siri, restart my iPhone."
Just to confirm, you want to restart this device?
Yes. And as you can see, with that command given, Siri will also go ahead and restart your iPhone without even having to use any of the buttons or doing anything. And this is helpful, especially if your phone is frozen or not responding to touch. As you can see your Apple logo appearing, and it will do the same exact thing. When you do this method of restarting for both of the methods, it will not delete any of your personal data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will still be on your iPhone. You do not need to worry about anything being lost. And that's how you restart your iPhone 11. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.